Well, my name is Ryan, and you are Jasmine
I
Poi.
am. Hi.
Hello.
And your name is?
Lola.
Lola.
Lola. Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, we're going to ask you a couple questions here. Um, if a job specialist and a sailmaker specialist were to go out on a date, what would they have in common?
What would they have in common? They can both talk about calls that they take.
Okay. And how are their calls similar?
How are their calls similar? They come through the same. No, they don't go through the same queue. How are their calls similar? They both talk about Gigates, the website.
Okay. And what differences would they have that could endanger their relationship in terms of different calls? If that was
Well, one is a voice call and the other is a will call.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, for a job specialist, talking to Colette, we already know that they could buy 600 beers a week
They could.
if they were dollar beers.
Okay.
Um, but what other benefits do they have? Assuming they got really, really drunk, would they have medical benefits to help themselves?
They would have medical benefits, yes.
Okay.
As long as they've been here for about 6 months, yes.
6 months. So 6 months is when we have a way to handle our rampant alcoholism. Okay, that's good. What other benefits would they have that aren't perhaps so detrimental to their health as 600 beers?
Well, we feed you guys every week.
Okay. And what day of the week is that?
Fridays.
Fridays. Okay, so that's our compensation stuff. Um, if metaphorically we thought of a job field as I don't want to say ladder because that's so cliche. Let's say a tree with a lot of different branches that all go up. What are some of these metaphorical fruits at the end of branches that a job specialist could find in 3 years from their starting date?
An apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
And what could that apple metaphorically represent in terms of advancement?
In terms of advancements, you guys ask a lot of good questions. I'm a little stumped. A little taken off guard. So are you asking about compensation benefits or advancement? I mean, not advancement, as far as positions?
Right. If the root of the tree was starting as a job specialist, what are the fruits at the end of the branches that they could get in 3 years from their starting point?
Well, they could become part of the sailmaker team.
Okay.
Okay, that's always a plus side. Advance into advising, and even other management roles that we have here. I started off as a specialist.
Okay.
So.
And I guess just to have a follow-up for fun, what fruit do you think is tastiest?
I'm more of a mango person.
Really?
Yeah.
I think the rind just kind of messes with the taste sometimes. I love
Well,
mango,
I don't eat
but
the rind, though.
oh, that's true. That's true. I mean, you get like the ice cream mixes, but okay. So we have advancement, we have income compensation, fairly good on description. Let's see, I have 2 questions left. In a Venn diagram of employment specialist and job specialist, what is not shaded the same?
Employment specialist and a job specialist.
Hmm.
Not the same is probably where they sit.
Okay. Would they prefer to switch seats?
They could,
Okay.
if they wanted to.
If they wanted to.
Usually everybody likes to stick with the same team.
Right. Now, which one is likelier to see a seat switch? Because it's my understanding that employment specialist is where everyone sort of starts as and then progresses outwards from there. So is there more stability with job specialists, or do you see a lot of turnover there too?
There's a lot of stability in all positions as long as you follow the correct the formula that's given to you.
Okay.
Following the script and doing what you need to get done.
Okay,
And
so
being here every day, of course, is also part of the formula.
right. So a lot of emphasis on being here at the right time and in the right seat.
Correct.
Okay, so I have one more question. What about a sailmaker specialist is unique compared to the other three?
They take will calls. They use
Okay.
Will's voice. They're all Wills. You'll see a lot of girls in there, but they all sound like Will.
Now, just as an aside, where in the world does Will work? Did he ever work with the
Will's still
Sailmaker?
here. Yeah, Will's still around somewhere.
Does he get a lot of flack for his voice being the...
I think at first he did, but not so much anymore since he's been here for a while. I'm not sure
Okay.
where he is anymore.
He seems like a pretty nice guy.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess that's our questions then.
Okay, well, it was nice meeting you both.
Yeah, nice
meeting
meeting you
you.
too.